Keeping track of customer payments is one of the most important parts of managing your business in Zoho Books. Let's walk through how to record a payment quickly and correctly. When you're on the Zoho Books dashboard, you'll see an overview of projects, expenses, and payments. From here, go to the Sales section on the left menu and select Invoices. This page shows you all the invoices you've issued. Find the invoice you've just received a payment for. Open it, and at the top, you'll notice an option called Record Payment. Click on it, and a form will appear. Here you can fill in the payment details. Choose the payment mode like bank transfer, cash, or through a connected gateway such as Stripe. Enter the date, the amount received, and any reference number if available. Once everything looks good, hit Save. Zoho Books will now update your invoice status to paid or partially paid, depending on the amount. This keeps your records accurate and makes tracking finances so much easier. And that's all it takes to record a customer payment in Zoho Books. Simple, fast, and reliable, so your books always stay up to date. For more tips on mastering Zoho Books, make sure to check out my other tutorials.